In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button on Wix. If you want to make your website easier to navigate and encourage visitors to take action, adding a button is a simple and effective way to do it. A button can lead people to another page, a contact section, a document, or even an external website. And Wix makes the process very straightforward inside the editor. To get started, open the Wix editor and look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the plus icon labeled Add Elements. Click that icon to open the Elements panel. This is where Wix keeps all the building blocks for your site, including text, images, shapes, and of course buttons. From there, select Button. Wix will show you different button styles you can choose from, including text buttons, icon buttons, and animated buttons. Take a moment to browse through the options and pick the style that best fits the look and purpose of your site. If your site has a clean and simple design, a basic text button may work best. If you want something more eye-catching, an animated style might be a better fit. Once you've chosen a button, click it or drag it onto the section of your canvas where you want it to appear. As you move it around, Wix will show dragging guides to help you center the button or line it up neatly with other elements on the page. This is helpful for keeping your layout balanced and professional. You can also resize the button so it fits the space properly and matches the design of the section. Next, double-click the button to edit the text. This is where you can replace the default wording with something clear and action-focused, like Learn More or Contact Us. Keep the text short so the button stays easy to read. After that, click the link icon, which looks like a chain. In the floating menu, this is where you decide where the button will take visitors when they click it. You can link it to a site page, a web address, an anchor on the same page, or a document. Make sure the destination matches the message on the button so visitors know exactly what to expect. Finally, click the design icon, shown as a paintbrush, to customize the appearance of the button. Here you can change colors, fonts, borders, shadows, and hover effects. This is a great way to make the button match your site branding while still standing out enough to be noticed. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.